Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to ForceArk Academy. In last webinar, we have seen introduction to non-profit cloud, administration, ER diagram, and few feature management. Today in this webinar, I'll brief you on end-to-end non-profit excellence with Salesforce non-profit cloud. So let's start today's session. So today's agenda will be feature management in non-profit cloud, analytics in non-profit cloud, constituent management and legacy documents in non-profit cloud, integrations with third-party application, community portal in non-profit cloud, data security and compliance, and few success stories. There are few feature management we have seen in the last webinar. Let's start for today. First thing first is volunteer management. Non-profit cloud lets non-profit organization manage volunteering programs, events, and people by using volunteers for Salesforce, which is V4S. It tracks and views volunteers, jobs, shifts, and more, all in one location, making it easy to match volunteer skills and availability with the right opportunities. Non-profit cloud also lets you create a site that constituents can use to find volunteer opportunities and sign up for shifts that saves the data in Salesforce. The key benefits of volunteer management are dashboard, job shift calendar, job listing on website, sign up on website, find and search the volunteers, mass edit hours, and mass email communication. Job shifting calendar shows that which volunteer works for which shifts. Job listing on website shows you can integrate with website and see job listing for the volunteer. Mass email communication lets you create email template and mass email sending can also be done. This volunteer desk this is how the volunteer dashboard looks, and it shows volunteer leaderboard, their work hours, the total hours this year, total volunteers this year, their status, and unique volunteers this year. This template shows how you can find the volunteer. You select the criteria and find the volunteer which match that criteria. Volunteer status like active or not active, their availability, and their skills. So according to the criteria selection, the volunteer list will be available. Program management. Program management module is a standard framework for nonprofit organizations to track programs, services, and constituents or cohorts, program engagements, and service delivery. Program management module helps to quickly get your programs and services up and running. Key benefits of program management module are improved efficiency, it improves engagement, reporting, and impact measurement. Program management module lets you set up programs, track participants, log service deliveries, track program cohorts, and generate or track program reports and dashboards. Campaign management module. Nonprofits use campaigns to plan and track fundraising appeals, solicitations, events, advocacy campaigns, and other outreach activities. Campaigns has many possible meaning for nonprofit and higher education organization. For example, a capital campaign is a major fundraising effort to support construction or a new facility. Organizations with a strong programmatic element often describe their initiatives, such as protecting a new wilderness area as a campaign. Marketers see a campaign as a way to reach out to constituents to build awareness and ask for support. In Salesforce, you can use a campaign to represent all of these scenarios. Here are 4 properties and why they are engaged. Why they are important. Sorry. Campaigns group leads and context together. Campaigns track opportunities. Campaigns can be archived, and campaigns have hierarchy too. There are few use cases of the same are segmentations and outreach, fundraising, event management, and program registrations. Now let's understand one property. If you have several courses within a semester or several tactics within a fundraising goal, you may want to group campaigns and summarize the total amount of contacts or opportunity. So you can use campaign hierarchy to achieve this. Let's look at an example of how campaign hierarchies works. Excuse me. Let's say you are running a spring appeal that consists of 4 email blasts. a direct mailing to your major donors, and a gala bucket. Create each of those as a campaign and relate them to the Spring Apple 2018 campaign using the parent campaign field. On the parent campaign, you can see the aggregated amount of money you have raised as well as the money raised by the individual campaigns. You can then compare which tactics are the most effective in your fundraising. Partner channel management. It is a partnership in sales model in which a company partners with another company to sell their services and products. It helps to win, maintain, and expand relationships with channel partners. The key benefits of partner channel management are maximize channel sales partner productivity, personalized partner experience, efficient channel manager, and partner work. There are few common use cases of this partner channel management module are partner recruitment and onboarding, partner enablement and training, lead distribution and lead generation and deal registration, marketing support, support and service. Now, outbound fund module. Outbound funds management module helps organizations to manage and track funding requests and outgoing fund, such as grants and scholarships. It is designed to be a flexible, lightweight solution to meet various needs across multiple industries. Outbound fund module is available on the Salesforce App Exchange app in the resource section. Outbound fund module works well with the nonprofit cloud to track your grants against specific general accounting units. The key benefits of the outbound fund modules are manage and track funding, relationship tracking, reporting, disbursement tracking. This snapshot shows how scheduled disbursements are done, what is the funding request, and how it has been distributed. Now let's see what are reports and dashboard. Reports and dashboard in the Salesforce nonprofit cloud allow nonprofits to track, analyze, and visualize data effectively. Reports are the tables or graphical representation of Salesforce data that can be filtered, grouped, and summarized. Dashboards are visual representation of one or more reports, displaying charts, graphs, and key performance indicators, which mainly gives high-level view of an organization. Key feature of reports and dashboards in nonprofit cloud. They are pre-built report and dashboard templates for nonprofits, customizable filters and grouping to refine insights, real-time data visualization to track trends, which helps in decision making. Now, why are reports and dashboards are important? Reports and dashboards provide data-driven insights to optimize fundraising, donor engagement, and volunteer management and program impact. So the key benefits of the same are fundraising optimization, donor and constituent insights, operational efficiency, grant and funding management, transparency, and compliance. Let's see what this benefit says. Fundraising optimization. It monitors donor trends, recurring donations, and campaign performances. Donor and constituent insights. It identifies lapsed donors and high value supporters. Operational efficiency. It tracks volunteer hours, event attendance, and service delivery. Grant and funding management. It manages grant application, funding received, and reporting requirements. Transparency and compliance. It shares data with board members, funders, and stakeholders. With all these benefits, organization has clear view of the current status and can decide action according to for the future. How to build or create reports. So on Salesforce.org, you need to navigate to reports, and in that reports tab, you need to create a new report and choose your report type like donations, contacts, or opportunities. Second is you need to apply the filters and group your data, like you filter your records or group your data according to the donations per campaign or fiscal year. Third is summarize and customize data. You need to add summary fields and custom fields formula for calculations. And last but not the least, you need to run, save, and schedule the report for the automatic updates. There are few examples of the report for the non-profits, which are donation summary report, which tracks donor total donations, donor count, and average gift size. Donor retention report, which compares new versus repeated donors. Volunteer hours report, which measures volunteer participation and impact. Grant pipeline report, which monitors grant application and awarded funds. Here is a sample report of in-kind food donation by month sum. In the report, you can see for each account in the month total record account of food donation, and for all account total food donation count. How to build dashboards. On Salesforce.org, you need to go to dashboard, open the dashboard tab and create a new dashboard. Second is you need to add components and select a pre-created report which you need to be generated as a dashboard. Then you need to choose a chart type, like if you want is a bar chart, pie chart, got chart, or table chart. Third is step is to customize and organize a report, like you need to resize or arrange the dashboard components, apply the filters for interactive insights, and fourth is save and share dashboard and the display it. Example of the dashboard of the nonprofits are fundraising performance dashboard, which displays total donations, donor trends, and campaign success. Program impact dashboard, which tracks beneficiaries served and service delivery. Board and executive dashboard, which provides a high level financial and operational overview. And fourth is volunteer engagement dashboard, which monitors volunteers participation rates. So here is one of the dashboard example which shows about the program dashboards, like which program has been run, and its chart, transitional housing wait list which are there, and current inventory levels. This is one of the grant management dashboard which displays the grant pipeline planning and top 10 grants that are received. This is one of the dashboard which shows their fundraising, their advocacy, petition signatures according to that zip code, and campaign return on investment analysis. There are few points you can remember to optimize reports and dashboards. These are the use the right report type, like choose based on the data that exactly you need. For example, if you need uh, opportunities for the donations. Second is apply effective filters, like you need to narrow down your results to focus on specific time frames or donors or the programs. Third is leverage summary fields, like display totals or percentage or the average to get the aggregate and the idea. Schedule reports and dashboards to automate data updates to keep insights current, and ensure data accuracy to maintain clean and complete donor and fundraising records. Managing NPSP constituents. Managing constituents effectively helps nonprofits to build stronger relationship with their donors, volunteers, clients, and other stakeholders. It ensures few benefits, like all interactions are tracked and managed efficiently, leading to better engagement, increased donations, and more successful programs. Why constituents are managed in NPSP or nonprofit cloud? It allows you to manage various types of constituents, including contacts, household accounts, organization accounts, and affiliations. Contacts are the individuals with a relationship to your organization. Household accounts are groups of contacts that live together or belong to the same family. Organization accounts are the groups of contacts that share a common association, such as employees of a company or so. Affiliations are the connections between contacts and organization accounts. How to manage constituents in nonprofit cloud? You need to create and edit constituent records, which lets you create and edit contact records, household accounts, and organization accounts. Automate household account creation. When you create a new contact, Nonprofit Cloud can automatically generate a new household account. Third is link contacts to existing accounts. You can easily associate new contacts with existing household or organization accounts. Fourth is manage affiliations. Nonprofit Cloud lets you track and update affiliations between contacts and organization accounts. Fourth is update billing address. Nonprofit Cloud seamlessly manage and update billing addresses for household accounts. And last but not the least, automate relationship management. Nonprofit Cloud can automatically create reciprocal relationship entry for contacts, which we have seen in the relationship management module in the last webinar. Why manage legacy NPSP or nonprofit cloud documents? So these legacy documents are important because they contain historical data and configurations that are crucial for understanding past operations, tracking changes, and ensuring continuity when upgrading or migrating to a newer versions of the nonprofit cloud or an NPSP, which is nonprofit success pack. So how to manage these legacy documents? First is review and archive. You need to regularly review legacy documents to ensure they are up to date and archive, archive outdated information. Second is document changes. Keep detailed records of any changes made to configurations and data imports. Third is upgrade and migrate. When upgrading to a newer version of nonprofit cloud, refer to legacy documents to ensure a smooth transition and to understand how past configurations might affect the new setup. And fourth is consult experts. Like if needed, consult with the Salesforce experts or third-party consultants to help with the upgrade process. Integration with third-party applications. Integrating Salesforce nonprofit cloud with third-party applications is a thing. It can be integrated with various applications to improve efficiency, automate processes, and enhance engagement. You can integrate nonprofit cloud with the various tools like WhatsApp, Google Sheets, payment processors, and marketing platforms. The key benefits of integration are automate workflows, which reduces manual data entry and streamline operations. Second is enhance engagement, which improves communication with donors and volunteers and beneficiaries. Third is improve reporting, which sync real-time data for better decisions. And fourth is expand functionality, which adds payment processing, marketing, and productivity tools. WhatsApp integration. This integration method for the WhatsApp are: first is use Salesforce digital engagement to enable WhatsApp as a messaging channel. Second is you can use Twilio for Salesforce for automated messages. And third, you can use no code integration via Zapier. For the Google Sheet integration, you need Salesforce connector for Google Sheets. Second is you can do it with the Salesforce API, or third is you can do it via no code integration via Zapier. So what is community portal in nonprofit cloud? A community portal in Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud is a digital platform that allows nonprofits to engage with their constituents, such as donors, volunteers, beneficiaries, and partners. It is built using Salesforce Experience Cloud, formerly Community Cloud, and integrates seamlessly with nonprofit success pack to provide a self-service interactive experience. Why should a nonprofit use a community portal? Here are key benefits of the same. First is enhance engagement, keep donors, volunteers, and members connected with real-time updates and collaboration. Second is self-service access. It allows users to view donation history, update personal information, register for events, and log volunteer hours. Third is streamline communication, which centralizes messaging, event notifications, and announcements in one place. And fourth is reduce administrative work, which automates tasks like donation tracking, membership renewals, and case management. Fourth is improve transparency, which provides reports on fundraising progress, impact metrics, and program updates. Some few use cases of non-profit community portal are donor portal, which allows donors to track contributions, download tax receipts, and send recurring gifts. Second is volunteer portal, which enables volunteers to sign up for opportunities, log hours, and recent event updates. Third is grant management portal, which helps to manage applications, approvals, and reporting for grants. And fourth is case management portal, which assists beneficiaries in accessing support services and tracking their cases. Now, how to set up a community portal in nonprofit cloud? So, first step is that you need to enable Experience Cloud in Salesforce. Second is create a new community like non you can choose the template of non-profit template, yeah, customer service template, partner portal template, etc. Step 3 is to customize the portal with the experience builder and add your logos, banners, and the key contents. The fourth step is you can configure and access the permission of the user roles, etc. Step 5 is to add key features and integrations like donation tracking, volunteer management, or fundraising campaigns. You can integrate it with the payment gateways and the volunteer for service applications and Salesforce campaigns and marketing cloud. And you can also do the live chat and support by using Einstein boards or service cloud. And step 6 is test and launch the community with the different user roles, and then publish it. Before publishing, gather the feedback with the stakeholders and optimize the experience, and then you can publish the portal. Now, data security and compliance in nonprofit cloud. As cloud computing becomes the backbone of digital transformation, nonprofits must prioritize security and compliance to protect their data and maintain stakeholders' trust. Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud provides a powerful platform tailored for nonprofits, offering robust security and compliance features to safeguard sensitive information. So let's see how data security and compliance help in nonprofit cloud. The first is Salesforce Shield for enhanced security. Salesforce Shield offers encryption, event monitoring, and field audit trails to ensure that nonprofit organizations maintain strict data security and compliance standards. These features help protect against unauthorized access and data breaches. Second is role-based access control, which is RBAC. Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud allows organizations to assign different levels of access to users based on their roles. This ensures that only authorized personnel can access specific data, reducing the risk of insider threats. Third is multi-factor authentication, which is lets to prevent unauthorized access. Salesforce enforces multi-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security beyond just passwords. Fourth is encryption of data. Salesforce provides an encryption for the data at rest and in transit, ensuring that sensitive donor and financial information remains protected from cyber threat. Compliance with global regulations. Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud is designed to help organizations comply with global regulations such as GDPR, which is General Data Protection Regulation for data privacy in the EU, Europe, HIPAA, which is Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act for handling sensitive health related data, CCPA, which is California Consumer Privacy Act for protecting consumer rights, SOC2 compliance for secure data management and privacy controls. Sixth, security health check tool. Salesforce provides a security health check tool that allows nonprofits to assess their current security settings and make necessary improvements to align with the best practices. Seventh, automated backups and disaster recovery. Salesforce backup and restore ensures that critical nonprofit data is automatically backed up and can be quickly recovered in case of accidental deletion or system failures and cyber attacks. Nonprofits often struggle with managing donations, volunteers, and programs efficiently. So, Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud is helping organizations to solve these challenges with automation, data insights, and AI powered tools. So, here are the few real life success stories of the organization that have harnessed Salesforce to revolutionize their fundraising, volunteer management, and community engagement. So let's see the first story that it strengthens one of the NPO's climate action with the AI and automation using Salesforce nonprofit cloud. The challenges they have faced are the fragmented climate data, like it's in the distributed system, and it's difficult for them to analyze the environmental trends. Slow down engagement, slow donor engagement, which is manually outreach, limited the efficiency of climate funding campaigns, inefficient project tracking, and time consuming reporting. So, by implementing Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud, this nonprofit organization transformed its climate initiative through AI driven environmental insights. They have leveraged Salesforce Einstein AI to analyze deforestation, emissions, and water conservation patterns, automated donor and engagement. uh, they have used marketing cloud to personalize outreach and increasing recurring climate donors, real-time real-time sustainability dashboard to build interactive reports for policymakers, donors, and partners, volunteer and partner collaboration hub, through which they have created a self-service portal for climate activities and partner organization. They have streamlined grant and fund management by integrating fundraising tools for efficient allocation of climate and project funds. By this solution, the result they have achieved are 40% increase in donor contribution for climate programs, AI powered deforestation tracking, their better engagement and real time reports, and 50% reduction in administrative work. Second success story is the one in one of the non-profit organization. The challenge they are facing where emergency response coordination was slow, which dealing to delays in providing aid during natural disaster. So how this story is about how the disaster relief has been made. So the solution that this disaster relief NPO has applied is they have used Salesforce nonprofit cloud to centralize emergency response efforts. They have automated resource allocation for quicker aid distribution. They have implemented real-time mapping to track rescue teams. And due to this solution, the result they have achieved are 70% of faster response time during crisis, improve coordination between rescue teams and aid providers, increase donation for disaster relief efforts. This real world example demonstrates how Salesforce nonprofit cloud enables nonprofits to operate more efficiently, engage donors and volunteers effectively, and amplify their impact. Whether you are a supporting individual with special needs, donor and donation management, empowering other nonprofits, or engaging volunteers, Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud can help your organization succeed. Thank you for attending today's session on Salesforce Nonprofit Cloud at ForceArk Academy, and we look forward to seeing you at our future sessions. Thank you.